It's Bisaya quiz time. How do we say, is anybody home in Bisaya? A hint, we say this when we're knocking on someone's home or sari-sari store. A. Tao po. B. Ayo. Or C. Mga ruling ko. Drop your answer in the comment section. If you answer A, tao po, it's incorrect because tao po is what we say in Filipino or Tagalog. Letter C, mangaruling ko, is also incorrect because you only say that when you're doing caroling. So the correct answer is letter B, ayo. We say that to check if someone's home or someone's in the store. Ayo, is anybody home? Is anyone there? Ayo. Follow us for more bite-sized quizzes and lessons in Bisaya and other Filipino languages. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!